The views expressed in this episode of Crazy Jamaican Boy is not necessarily the views of the actors involved. So if you don't see we are road, we're not about to fling nothing off away. See? Alright, enjoy the show.
My nervous is man.
You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Yeah man, you can shut it up and secure the bag.
So, you have an advice for me?
Yes, when you're going to the interview, don't be yourself.
What? The homophobia?
Somebody with sense.
Have you at the forefront of our agenda. That's who we are, it's in our DNA, we've done it before and we'll do it again.
And if I could just quickly, while we still have time on the clock, I think we just discovered why the Minister of Health has done so badly with dengue and now COVID. Perhaps some marketing of, well, let's not go there. But you directed assertions to me. You seem to always be looking.
Hey Charnelle, what's up?
Nothing much. Your sister will just help me with my job interview tomorrow.
Great!
Yeah, girls still start work.
You know, we never used to picture it as like the working type, you know. I always used to see it as like a housewife.
Ain't you cute though?
And not. But with the PNP, mentally challenged individuals like yourself will always
Oh
have a
my
fancy.
god. You love iPhone barely functional?
No. Barely functional would be the JLP sis.
Funny.
But then again, why would you go to somebody who's never worked a day in their life for job interview advice?
So who she must go to? To you? You remember how your last job interview went?
Hello, is this Tracey?
The one and only.
Thank you for your time, sir. I see that you're applying for one of our work from home positions.
Yup.
Lovely. Could you stand up and tell me why do you want this job?
Stand up in the figurative sense or the physical sense?
What? Please stand up.
I applied for this job because I like money.
On your resume it says that you're good in bed.
Well, I could provide you with a few references for that. Let me get the job done.
That woman was probably desperate and horny.
Like I said, somebody in the JLP.
He went there.
That was very low in the gutter, but you're a PNP supporter, so it's in your nature.
Oh wow.
Well, at least my party looks out for poor people, unlike yours.
So is that the reason why they're trying to make the whole entire Jamaican population poor?
Hear me a second. I'm not gonna argue with somebody we can't even vote.
You couldn't even get a proper orange shirt. Then again, I wouldn't want anybody to know I support PNP.
Yo, I'm gonna feel back full of excitement, so.
Anyways, let me talk to somebody who can actually vote. So Charnelle, you vote?
Yep, I went this morning.
Oh, cool. I'm sure you made the best decision for this country by, you know, putting the X beside the head.
The X beside the bell, sir.
I said what I said.
And what you said was foolishness.
You don't like it, but I say what I say.
I know I don't like it, that's why I have to speak up.
You can't even vote.
But my opinion still stands.
Friend request denied. Anyways, Charnelle.
The Jamaican Constitution gives me the right to privacy.
So I know you decide to have sense.
They not tell what you vote for.
The Jamaican Constitution gives me the right to privacy.
You can't say something else now.
The Jamaican Constitution gives me the right to freedom of expression.
Lord God.
So why you not telling?
Cause look at how now go on. Look at how now go on. Why would I feel comfortable to talk about anything political with you? Cause if I say JLP, that one I got chop off me, and if I say PNP, you have to skin me alive and cream in my body and feed ashes to the dogs.
That was very specific.
You're being overdramatic.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Listen to me. Your political allegiance will not affect the way I see you. You have a right to vote for whichever party you like. But I expect you to not vote for PNP, because why would you torture yourself and the country
Whoa. Look here now, man. PNP has done way more for the advancement of Jamaican life, alright?
Well, maybe it's because they were in power for 18 years consecutively.
Is that the best you got? Well, JLP had 55 months and then completely ruined the country.
The country was ruined by the PNP. JLP is just trying to fix many of the mistakes made by your people.
You're so right. That's why the dollar is constantly declining. Crime is at an all-time high. And, but let's just call another state of emergency for the 100th time.
You have no idea what you're talking about.
This pandemic, for example, JLP has handled it so poorly.
And PNP have a secret vaccine. If you check the stats of other countries, we're way ahead of them.
Maybe in the beginning stages, but right now our cases are growing at an alarming rate. Alright? Why the hell you would have called an election in the middle of a pandemic? It's obvious him don't care about him people. Him deserve to lose the election just for that.
You can't put all that on the government. We as citizens have to take some responsibility. But it's true, you can't hold the JLP accountable for everything that's happening right now. Jamaicans are very indisciplined. Numerous parties are still being held and nobody knows where they're at. We have to hold ourselves accountable too.
Anyways, you can't vote. Argument done.
Well, next year I'll be at the legal age to vote. So you're going to need to come back.
But they get some damn sense too.
Boy, don't start me up. Don't start me up.
Start up, not start up.
When you can't stop, please stop.
You have to tell who you vote for.
Yeah.
And then when you can't stop all this politics stuff, please.
You are not winning. Your arguments are the weak as hell.
My arguments are now weak. That's why PNP is now weak. Because all of you are just like that. Like just
you don't even have the strength capacity.
If you don't want to know which party I vote for, when I can promise, when I stop the politics talking, please.
Fine.
Put your hand on the Bible.
Are you?
Put your hand on the Bible. Repeat after me. I will not talk about politics.
I will not talk about politics.
I will not torture or forsake Charnelle.
I will not torture or forsake Charnelle.
I will.
Listen, stop this. Just tell me who you vote for.
Exactly.
Alright. I voted for.
And you like what I just say? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment. You see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.